gonna just put in a little bit of gray around her eyeball and tone it down to where it's more, it's almost like a triangle shape. Let's go ahead and come underneath here. There we go. And that's bringing it to a triangle, but I think smaller than it needs to be. It'd be a little bit bigger than that. So that'll work. And then also I'm gonna mix a little bit of black and gray together to go on the front of her face, where the end of her beak is, where it's a little darker. It's right below. Here we are. Yeah, it comes from her eye out. There we are. And there's dark shadow underneath her wing. A little on the side of her head. And her eye stops. It's kind of square at the back. And the only thing showing that is the white on there. Let's see if I can find some plain white on here. If not, I'll need to go get some more. Looks like I might need to get more. Let me see. I'll probably pull this off. It's a little bit, it's like a light green, but I think it will go